How to pre-sign for a UPS delivery. So to pre-sign for a UPS delivery, use the free UPS My Choice service to submit an electronic signature release. If you haven't created an account, in order to create a UPS My Choice account, you need to go with your browser or your Google and search for UPS My Choice login, or tap on sign up for My Choice, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to just simply go with your first and last name, and then your email address, your country code, phone number, then create a username and password, and then sign up to your account. So enter all of the information in these blanks. After entering the information, make sure that you've created a strong password, and then go with I agree to the terms and conditions and click on sign up. You will get a confirmation code or a verification email or phone number verification code. Just simply go and enter and your account will be created. This verifies your address and identity, which is required before the system allows you to pre-sign for packages online. After that, you can log into your UPS account and go to the tracking dashboard, and you'll see a list of incoming packages. Select the specific package you need to sign for to view its delivery details. After that, select sign, authorize shipment release, and follow the on-screen prompts to digitally sign. Once authorized, the status on your tracking page will change to shipment release authorized. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.